Welcome to the CRT Food and Bev Laboratory premises. This is the example of food and bev uniform. So before we proceed to the table setup, this is the sum of general guidelines that we will use in setting up the table. Now, we will prepare the American or breakfast setup. We will first put the show plate, followed by the dinner plate. Next, the teacup and saucer with teaspoon. Put the handle of the teacup on 4 o'clock. Next is the bread and butter spreader with bread plate. The dinner fork and the dinner knife. Next is the milk and sugar container, the salt and pepper container, the water goblet, the dessert spoon and dessert fork, and lastly, the table napkin and the centerpiece. So this is the American or breakfast table setup.